I would like to share my own material that I have created on Quizlet website. If you are not familiar with the Quizlet website, create account with your own username and password. Then after you access Quizlet, under search tab, type my username, Maha_Sweis. I took off the password, so there is no password in my account. After you access Quizlet, for example, let's type here Arabic 101. If you just want material for Arabic 101, then just type 101, because I have created more than 70 folders so far on this website for Arabic 101, 102, 103, and 104. So if you want just material for Arabic 101, you type it and you pick anything you want. Let's say you want to pick vocab, for example. Under vocab, you have a lot of options. You can learn vocab. You click on learn, get started, then start learning about the vocab. غرفتي, my room. After you finish learning about the vocab, then try to play some games. For example, let's do flashcards.
واسع واسعة. Wide.
Continue.
Room. غرفة.
So I recorded a lot of material on Quizlet. You go back to the home page. What I like recently about Quizlet, diagrams. I did a lot of diagrams here, also vocab. You can see a lot of themes. You can see, for example, inside my house. You can see breakfast. You can see days of the week, 4 seasons, daily activities, colors, family. You will see a lot of vocab here. You pick any theme you want and continue practicing. Again, you have to have your own account on the Quizlet. It's free. After you create account, under search tab, type Maha_Sweis, and you can find all the material that you like.